This critter right here is known as Mystacina tuberculata, better known as the New Zealand lesser short-tailed bat, the lesser short-tailed bat, and the pekapeka-tou-poto in Maori. It is the only living species of bat in the family Mystacinidae. It is endemic to the islands of New Zealand, where they inhabit forests from sea level to the tree line at about 3,600 feet or 1,097 meters. They are relatively small bats, reaching 2.4 to 2.8 inches or 6.1 to 7.1 centimeters long, with an 11 to 12 inch or 27.9 to 30.5 centimeter wingspan. Short-tailed bats are nocturnal, spending the day roosting in hollow trees in colonies up to several hundred individuals. Although they are generally use natural cavities, they are also known to chew out several meter-long burrows within the wood using their sharp incisor teeth. The bats emerge from their roost 20 to 150 minutes after sunset and forage for much of the night, feeding upon crustaceans, arachnids, and various insects, as well as flowers, fruit, nectar, and pollen, with these bats being an important pollinator for many plants on the forest floor, particularly the wood rose. Short-tailed bats spend only around 30% of their foraging time catching insects in the air, and a further 40% feeding from plants. The remaining 30% is spent hunting on the forest floor, a higher proportion than any other species of bat. To assist with this unusual style of hunting, short-tailed bats sport more flexible wings that are able to fold their wings inside a protective sheath formed from their membranes, and movement along the ground is also assisted by strong hind limbs, a robust pelvic girdle, and by the additional talons on their claws. Short-tailed bats are lek breeders, with males occupying individual mating roosts during the breeding season, which occurs from February to May, and use repetitive ultrasonic calls to attract females. After mating, the embryo enters a state of delayed implantation throughout the winter, so a single young is born in the summer. The young are fully furred and are able to fly by 4 weeks, typically leave their parents at around 6 weeks, and are fully grown by 3 months of age, living upwards of 9 years under ideal conditions.